We'll guide you through how to make rounded rectangle mask in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create smooth, rounded mask effects in Adobe After Effects. It helps them design clean shapes, soft edges, and professional-looking transitions for videos and motion graphics. This technique is useful for social media content, UI animations, and intros because it makes visuals look modern, polished, and visually appealing without complex steps. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your image or video into the project panel and add it to the timeline so it becomes your main layer. After that, select the layer and choose the Rounded Rectangle tool from the Shape Tools menu. Click and drag in the composition window to create a rounded rectangle mask around your content. Hold Shift while dragging if you want to keep perfect proportions and a balanced shape. Once the mask is created, press M on the keyboard to open the mask settings. Adjust the mask position by moving it in the composition window or editing its properties in the timeline so it fits properly over the subject. Then press F to open the mask feather property and increase the feather value to soften the edges of the mask. Higher feather values will create smoother, more blended edges for a more professional look. If needed, animate the mask path by enabling keyframes so the mask changes shape or position over time. You can also add scaling animation to the layer itself to make the effect more dynamic and engaging. To enhance the visual style, add shadow or glow effects depending on the look you want. Shadows add depth while glow creates a more cinematic feel. Once everything is set, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning and check that the mask shape, feathering, and animation look smooth. Make adjustments if necessary to improve timing or positioning. Finally, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.